Hey, what's going on? Listen, some of us, we pay up to $1,000 a month or more just for a copy machine lease. For what? To make copies? $1,000 a month or more? That's like $12,000. That's a car. We don't need to do that. All we have to do is stop making copies, or better yet, slow our copies down to 90%. How do you do that? It's very simple. Just keep it simple. Instead of doing all of these copies, you with text guests, you can go ahead and send the documents directly to the guest without making a copy. You'll save a fortune, you'll save hundreds or thousands of dollars, and all you have to do is send a text. 1, cancel your copy machine lease immediately. This expense has just been ridiculous. You can go ahead and buy one of those small copiers at Office Depot or Amazon so that you could go ahead and make simple copies for your simple necessities. 2, all you have to do is text and email your documents. Stop wasting paper. Old school is gone. We can't afford old school anymore. Listen, the paper is the other half of the expense. I was at a hotel. I went to like 5-10 boxes of paper a month at one of my properties. Don't do it. It's not worth it. With text guests, you can send documents to your guests without using a toner, a sheet of paper, or having to worry about the copy machine breaking down. We can do that and so much more at text guests. Go ahead and get started with your free demo today.